Hey guys, I just got one of these Primo water devices to get some water from. It has hot water, cold water, and just regular temperature water. Now I was having some issues with getting cold water, and I just wanted to show you guys how to adjust your water temperature on these Primo water devices, as I couldn't find many resources. So I kind of figured it out here. Now there's two issues that I was having. One of them was my water just simply wasn't turned up enough. So if we come on the back of the machine, there's a little screw right there, and you can just stick a screwdriver or something to turn that. If you go clockwise, that will make it colder, and if you go counterclockwise, it will become more room temperature. Mine was at room temperature, and I thought it wasn't working at all. Another issue that I was having is I turned my coldness up too much. So if you look down here near these coils, right there, you can kind of see some condensation growing. I just had the machine off to melt it, but it was all ice. And that will probably turn into ice again. And essentially what happens is if you have your water temperature too low, that will form ice cubes and freeze the line solid, because that's a thin line there. And if that gets frozen solid, then I assume your compressor will just stay on, which you can hear, and you won't get any cold temperature because the line is frozen. Another issue you'll have is water drippage, and that'll ruin your floors if you don't correct that. So I just threw a pan underneath because I just recently discovered this situation. So I just wanted to inform you guys, if you buy one of these from Walmart or wherever, you might have to adjust your water temperature. And I just wanted to show you a video on how, because I couldn't find any resources on it. Best of luck. Thanks for watching.